Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best freshwater aquarium plants that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Florida 10 Species Freshwater Aquarium Plants Bundle. If you have got a 10+ gallons aquarium, then using this Aqualeaf Aquatics Florida 10 Species Live Aquarium Plants Bundle is the best option for you. Note down that upon ordering this product, you will get 10 grown plant bunches. Most importantly, these plants from 6 to 12 inches in terms of height. These plants offer you a simple and quick way to create a natural habitat right there in your aquarium. All fish and invertebrates present in your aquarium are going to be surrounded by these plants. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Greenpro Freshwater Live Aquarium Plants. Greenpro Freshwater Live Aquarium Plants are sourced from very exotic and also rare species. Most noteworthy, they are easy to drop and place into your aquarium tank. We guarantee you that you are not going to come across any hassle. These freshwater plants guarantee and assure you to improve the digestive system of your fish. Along with that, they enhance and improve the environment of your tank. If you think that your aquarium pets could not find a proper hiding place, then simply get these plants and create the best environment for them. At number 3, we have the California Bundle 25+ Stems, 6 Species Live Freshwater Aquarium Plants Package. Then we have California Bundle 25+ Stems, 6 Species Live Aquarium Plants Package for you. If you have got lots of fish and invertebrates in your aquarium and you want to give the best and friendly environment for them, then drop these plants in your aquarium. Besides, this is only how you can develop and make a natural habitat for them. In addition to, the single package is included with 6 grown plant bunches. You can use this package bundle if you have 10+ gallons aquarium in your home. At number 2, we have the Anubias Barteri Coin Leaves Live Aquarium Plants Freshwater Rhizome. Most probably, you will love to drop these Mainam live aquarium plants into your aqua space. Using these plants, you will be able to create and craft a safe zone for your aquarium pets. No matter what kind of aquarium tank you are using, this package can be used by you. Hence, it is time to give a natural environment and all-natural habitat to your aquarium pets. And you can do that by ordering this package of freshwater plants. Give it a try and share your feedback with us. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aquatic Arts Large Freshwater Aquarium Plants. Aquatic Arts Large Live Aquarium Plants are the low-maintenance plants, and that is the best part about them. If you are interested in buying and ordering this package, then note down that you are going to get 2 bunches of 2 to 4 large stems. And they are about and around 8 to 16 inches in length. Furthermore, these freshwater plants do not need any of the special lighting or high-intensity lighting. You are free to keep and drop them in any kind of freshwater aquarium. Moreover, these are fast-growing plants and great for fish. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.